nights on my own, heart heavy like a house with no home. I tried love before, but it slipped through my hands. Every promise felt like words in the sand. I learned how to smile, learned how to cope, learned how to live without holding hope. Then you came like a whisper in the rain. Didn't rush me, didn't call me insane. You didn't ask me to be more than I am. You saw the cracks and still you stayed. Every scar, every broken plan, you love me anyway. When love finally found me, it felt like coming home. Like a road I was running, was never meant alone. When love finally found me, I didn't have to pretend. I stopped searching forever when I found you in the end. I was tired of the games and the lies, of temporary arts in disguise. You looked at me slow, like you knew every battle I never told you. No pressure, no chains on my soul. You let me heal, you let me grow. In your arms I learned to breathe. You gave me peace I didn't believe. You didn't try to change my name, didn't love me for what I could be. You held my past without the shame and still chose me. When love finally found me, it felt like coming home. Like a fire in the midnight, keeping my heart warm. When love finally found me, I laid my armor down. I stopped fighting the feeling when real love came around. Maybe love ain't loud, maybe love ain't fast. Maybe it's the kind of thing that's built to last. No running, no fear, no proving my word. Just two souls learning what love is worth. When love finally found me, I knew this time was true. All the roads I survived led me straight to you. When love finally found me, I didn't need to roam. I was lost for so long,